Hey, how was your weekend?
It was great. I went camping with some friends. What about you?
I just stayed at home and caught up on some work. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Do you have any suggestions?
How about we go to the beach or check out a new restaurant? Have you seen the new movie that just came out?
No, I haven't had the chance. Is it any good?
Yeah, I thought it was really entertaining. We should go see it together. How do you like your new job?
It's going well so far. The people are friendly and the work is interesting.
That's great to hear. What kind of projects are you working on? Did you hear about the new museum exhibit?
No, what's it about?
It's all about ancient civilizations and artifacts. I think it would be really cool to check out. I'm thinking about taking a cooking class. Would you be interested in joining me?
Sure, that sounds like fun. What kind of cuisine are you interested in?
What kind of music do you like to listen to?
I like a little bit of everything, but I mostly listen to indie rock and hip hop. What about you?
I'm a big fan of classic rock and jazz. Have you been keeping up with the news lately?
Not really. I try not to watch too much news. It can be pretty depressing sometimes.
That's true, but I think it's important to stay informed about what's going on in the world. Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Not yet. I'm still trying to decide if I want to travel or stay home.
I'm planning on visiting my family in another state. It's been a while since I've seen them. I've been trying to get in shape lately. Do you have any workout tips?
Yeah, I've been going to yoga classes and I find it really helps with my flexibility and strength.
That's a good idea. I'll have to look into signing up for a class. Have you read any good books lately?
I just finished a really interesting memoir about a woman who traveled around the world. What about you?
I've been reading a lot of sci-fi and fantasy novels. I find it really helps me relax after a long day. What kind of food do you like to cook at home?
I mostly cook Italian and Asian dishes. I find that they're usually pretty easy to make and always taste great.
That's awesome. I'm not the best cook, but I've been trying to experiment with different recipes lately. Have you seen any good movies or TV shows lately?
I just finished watching a really gripping crime drama on Netflix. What about you?
I've been watching a lot of comedies lately. It's nice to have something lighthearted to unwind with. How do you like your new apartment?
It's great. It's a little small, but it's in a really convenient location and has a lot of natural light.
That's good to hear. Do you have any plans to decorate it or make any changes?
Yeah, I'm thinking of adding some plants and maybe getting some new furniture to make it feel more homey.
Do you have any pets?
Yeah, I have a cat named Mittens. She's very cute and loves to cuddle.
Aw, I love cats. I've been thinking about getting one myself. How do you like your job?
It's okay, but I'm thinking about looking for something new. I feel like I'm not really challenged anymore.
That's understandable. Have you started looking for new opportunities? What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to read, go hiking, and try new restaurants. What about you?
I like to play video games, watch movies, and spend time with my friends and family. Have you ever traveled to Europe?
Yeah, I went to Italy last year. It was amazing. The food was so good and the architecture was stunning.
That sounds incredible. I've always wanted to visit Europe. What kind of sports do you enjoy watching?
I like watching football and basketball. Do you watch any sports?
Not really, but I do enjoy going to baseball games in the summer. Have you been to any concerts lately?
Yeah, I went to see my favorite band last month. It was a really great show.
That's awesome. I haven't been to a concert in a while, but I'm hoping to see a few bands this year. Do you like to travel?
Yeah, I love traveling. There's so much to see and experience in the world.
I agree. I think it's important to get out of your comfort zone and explore new places. Have you tried any new foods lately?
Yeah, I went to a sushi restaurant and tried uni for the first time. It was surprisingly good.
That's awesome. I love trying new foods, but I haven't been very adventurous lately. Do you have any siblings?
Yeah, I have a younger sister. What about you?
I have an older brother and a younger sister. What kind of music did you listen to when you were younger?
I listen to a lot of pop and rock music. What about you?
I was really into punk and alternative music in high school. Do you have any favorite holiday traditions?
Yeah, my family always makes a big meal on Thanksgiving and we watch football together. What about you?
My family usually goes to church on Christmas Eve and then has a big breakfast on Christmas morning. Do you have any favorite books or authors?
I really like J.K. Rowling and the Harry Potter series.